Hey guys, today I have a video for you. It's a microwave. It's a Proctor Silex microwave. Complaint? No power. Customer just said it was working and just shut down like that. So we'll take a look at it. And remember, in this workshop we use no schematics. So here we go. Let's plug the power in, see what's gonna happen. So I plug the power in. As you can see, no display, no interior light. So we'll take it apart and see what's going on. So remember guys, if you like to work along with my videos, you do so at your own risk. Alright? So I can see some aliens inside right now through the vent. Through the vents, you can see some cockroaches. Might be one of the major issues here. So screw is a very funny one. So guys, our workshop is located in Guyana, in Barbies, in Skelton. Name of our workshop is Raj and Andrea Electronics. That's in South America, Guyana, South America. Good, there we go. Yeah. So the first thing we want to do is check the fuse. I want to check the main fuse. The fuse is okay. You can hear the beep. So the fuse is okay. So our problem is somewhere else. This microwave has a switch mode power supply on the front panel, on the display panel. That's the power supply that does all the switching and stuff for the magnetron and the high voltage transformer. So I would suspect the switch mode power supply in here might be the cause. But what I want to do is check the monitor switches on the door first, verify that they are good. Because you have already verified the fuse is good. So let me check the monitor switches. That is good. So all the monitor switches are good. So we'll take a look at the display board, which has the switch mode power supply. Remember guys, we don't use schematic. So my way of solving these problems might be a little different from people or the other technicians that depends on a schematic. They have to follow certain protocols. So as you can see, this is the switch mode power supply that drives the board. So I'm thinking we have an issue here. So I'm just going to separate it from the I see a lot of cockroaches, mess and urine in this microwave. So I have to clean that up. But that can be one of the reasons for it not coming on, because look at the board's condition. Cockroach mess and the urine, it's like an acid. When the two combine, it's like an acid. And it actually corrodes the traces, the copper traces on the board. So let me just clean it up and then take a closer look. And use some isopropyl alcohol. And then brush the door, get rid of the excess cockroach poop. So guys, it doesn't seem like any of these copper traces are bad. So I think we have a issue with this power supply here. So I'm going to do some testing. I'm going to check these resistors, and they have an IC here, the PWM IC. They have feedback control. I'm just going to do some checking and see what's it. So guys, we have a little fuse here. Seems to be open. So guys, I'm going to pull the fuse, replace it, and then we're going to check, see if there's any other shorted components like diodes. So I found two rectifier diodes here, shorted. So I'm just gonna lift one end of it to verify. I'm gonna check all the rectifier diodes, make sure it doesn't have any short, because if you have a short on the rectifier and you replace the fuse, it's gonna go again. So So if you find my videos helpful, you can give it a like and subscribe. We have 1, 2, 'So guys, just 2 of the diodes. So I'll have to replace them along with the fuse. Then we'll see what's the next. These diodes have a number on them. Let me see if I can. Check for the orientation. So this is what the fuse looks like. The diode. rectifier diode. I have to get 2 of them. So guys, I found 2 replacements. 2 of the replacement diodes, so I'm just going to replace them one at a time. You have to pay attention to the direction when you replace these diodes. Make sure the negative side is correct, or they won't work. So guys, I replaced the diodes, I replaced the fuse, and it's time to test the board. I already put the board back on the clock, so I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to test it. I'm just going to hook the wires. This is the moment we're waiting for. Okay. As you can see, the display is all lit. We can actually get some numbers coming on the screen. So guys, I think I solved the problem. That's a no power issue. It's fixed. The power is now on. Alright? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it can help anyone, you share it. If you have any comments, please comment below. Also remember to subscribe. See you later.